The reduce philosophy in construction is a part of the sustainable development concept. In general terms, it refers to design and construction aimed at reducing the demand for raw materials, water, and energy, and consequently minimizing the negative impact of built structures on the natural environment, with future generations in mind. The drive to reduce resource consumption is closely linked to the fact that the construction sector is responsible for approximately 40% of global energy consumption, around 30% of waste generation, about 20% of water use, including an estimated 15% of potable water consumption by 2030, 35% of carbon dioxide emissions, of which approximately 27% comes from building operation, and the remaining 8% from the production of construction materials. The reduce philosophy is reflected in contemporary directions in architecture, commonly defined as sustainable, ecological, pro-ecological or green, energy-saving or energy-conscious, bioclimatic, passive, and solar. All of these terms share a common goal: the protection of the natural environment. Modern software technologies, such as building information modeling, BIM, artificial intelligence, AI, and virtual reality, VR, play a significant role in implementing the reduce concept. These technologies are used to optimize a building's performance throughout its entire life cycle, from construction through use with periodic renovations and modernizations, all the way to demolition. In this context, optimization means adjusting resource use as precisely as possible to the building's actual needs, in order to minimize its negative impact on the natural environment. These tools, especially BIM, allow for precise quantity estimation in reducing construction waste, too. They help accurately calculate the exact amount of materials needed, minimizing overordering, cutting down excess, and preventing unnecessary disposal. Although the effective implementation of software techniques still faces barriers, such as a lack of standardization or widespread adoption, examples of good construction practices show that a holistic realization of the reduce concept in architecture and construction is indeed possible.